All right, we're back. The Honda Talon front storage compartment, extreme metal products. I don't know what the deal with this year date is, and hopefully this is going to work out. I really don't know. This is one of those things where, like, sometimes in life you just have to take your medicine and swallow the pill down. This thing is extraordinarily overpriced, but there's no other option if you want to utilize this space. This turns your Talon into it has a frunk. You get a frunk, this thing, a front trunk. I don't know what to think. We're gonna find out together. Oh, we got some. All right, here we go. We got the infamous weather stripping, which I've read is weather stripping. We got a koozie. Off-road accessories from Cleveland, Ohio. And the item of the hour. Well, it comes pre-dusted. Why does my hand look so strange? There's a little bit. Anyways, that's it right there, kids. That is the so a little grinding on the old seam there and there. That's nice. Making it work. And that one got a little out of hand. Doesn't show. So, unfortunately, my machine is having some custom work done and is no longer at my location, so I can't really. You got a couple little like mold marks, injection marks. Yeah, those are where it gets injected. So this goes like right in the center. You know, goes around your. I think it's the what is that? Brake fluids reservoir sits right there. Allegedly, you can still side it. I think it's you use a couple quick clips, you can actually pull this thing out. And if you're at, like, I mean, I'm not going to tell you what I paid, but it's too expensive. But, like, you can't buy a shape like that. Like, they don't make a shape. You can't fab a shape like that. I mean, I'm sure someone's working on it, but, like, I couldn't figure it out. Oh, we got some more stuff here. Come on. We got, they send you a couple clips. Nice. And I believe we got a sticker here. Let's check the sticker out. Oh, yeah. Extreme metal products. I guess that's a pretty big brag badge right there, because this is the type of thing that, like, everyone that I was reading the forums, like, that should just come with the Honda. Like, there's not that much storage on them. They should just come with that. Anyways, the reason I decided to do this, which is a little extreme, I got a Kawasaki Mule. When I installed my winch, you know, I put the solenoid for the winch underneath the seat. I was like, oh, here's an easy spot. I screwed it right there, trimmed all my wires, installed the thing. Then later on, I found out there was under-seat storage. Well, I could no longer put the under-seat storage in because my solenoid is in the way. And relocating it was just going to be too big of an ass ache. So before I did all that, I was like, I'm going to get the storage, put this in, and then I'm going to relocate everything around this thing so I can always get this in. So, problem solved right there, kids. There we go. 3 minutes of me ranting about a unboxing on just a bucket. And goes to my elbow. What's my elbow there? Hand, man-sized hands, human hands, whatever. My hands look weird in the camera today. What is going on? Anyways, all right, 4 minutes. That's that. So, someone says this stuff doesn't stick. Maybe, yeah, there'll be another video. Don't worry. Stay safe.